Let's go. Yo, I'm so impressed with this Flash, bro. Like, the bike is perfect. It's almost perfect. All right, it's almost perfect. I think we're still going to do the 520 conversion, but we're going to keep it stock. Probably going to keep it stock gearing. I was thinking about maybe going one up in the back, maybe, but I don't know. When I was talking to Lewis, they kind of scoffed and laughed at that when I said going two up in the back, and the guy was telling me, like, dude, you're not going to be able to keep it down. So I was like, huh? Because I know I talked to Mungus, and he said that he's two up in the back and he stayed the same in the front. So I was like, huh. So when they said that, they were like, nah, you need to go down in the down in the front, go 16, and then maybe go like 43 in the back. And I was like, oh shit. I feel like that's track gearing though, but I feel like that's not street gearing.